Welcome to Castro Oasis, where we have a state-of-the-art car wash and auto salon facility. Our amazing lobby features high-top tabletops and charging stations so that you and your work won't have to miss a beat, even while your car is being serviced. Discover a new way to clean your car in our amazing belt-driven hand car wash, featuring high-pressure undercarriage washes, along with state-of-the-art side and overhead soap nozzles. And finishing off with our all-around wind tunnel to ensure your vehicle leaves Oasis fresh. Welcome to our auto detailing facility. This is where the magic happens. From long-term solutions like ceramic coatings and paint protection films, to window tinting and vehicle customizations, Castro Oasis has you covered. And when picking up your vehicle from a one-of-a-kind auto detail, you can expect to see it here on our all-new vehicle turntable. Thank you for taking the time to virtually visit Castro Oasis. We hope to meet with you soon to be able to discuss how we can best service your vehicle on your next visit.